lot of different methods for preparing artwork to hang on the wall. The most common would just be picture hanging wire, but for things that don't have a frame, such as these boards here, I find that this kind of keyhole hanger works a lot better. My problem with wire hangers is that when the artwork's on the wall, it leans forward a little bit, and that kind of requires you to put some little bumpers down here to extend it out a little ways. With these, the artwork fits flush against the wall, completely flat. So in this video, I want to show you my method for accurately installing these things using a drill press. If you just have one or two to do, you could use a handheld drill, but you'll just definitely get a lot better results if you have a drill press. One other caveat, these work best on smaller vertical pieces like these. If you have a long horizontal piece, it's probably better to use a wire hanger so that you can have two hangers, nails in the wall to level it up. The most important part about making these work is making sure that you find the exact center so that they're balanced. I've got a bunch of these to do, so for consistency, I'm going to measure down 4 inches on each of these and make a mark. Then with my square, I'm gonna make a small mark here and a short line over on this side. Then all I need to do is connect this corner with this corner down here and draw a line somewhere in the center. And corner to corner this way. I'll check my work, make sure that I found the center. Looks good. Using an awl, I'll make a divot right in the center. You can get these mounting plates in all different shapes and sizes, but I really prefer these round ones. These are 1 inch diameter and they come with these little screws. I picked up this 50-piece pack on Amazon for $10. With a 1 inch diameter Forstner bit mounted into my drill press, I can drop the point of that bit into that little divot. And while I'm kind of holding that in place, I'll slide my fence back up against the board and lock it into place. And slide this little block over to this side. These plates are really thin, so I just need to drill down a little ways. I'll test it out real quick, make sure I've got a good fit. Yeah, nice and flush. I want to make sure that this is also level, so I'll use my square to just line up these 2 holes. I've got this center finding bit on my drill. It has this little retractable bit there that helps center the bit in holes like this. It's for hinges and that sort of thing. So I can just drill small pilot holes here. I'm also going to trace out this little keyhole shape. I'll trade out this 1 inch bit for a 3/8 inch Forstner bit. Next, I want to set this depth gauge so that the drill bit drills about halfway through this plywood and stops. It's still set up to drill right in the center, so I'll bore that hole first. I'll loosen up my fence and slide this back a little bit to cut out this bottom portion of that hole. I want to bore out the top of this keyhole a little past where it ends there, so somewhere up in here. And I'll just screw this into place. And the reason why I like to drill the top part of that hole beyond where the top of this cutout on the plate ends is because I like to hang these using a nail driven into the wall at an angle, and so it'll just fit up in there like that. It only extends about 1/4 inch from the wall.